Welcome to Beautyistic, where we help you navigate the best beauty and lifestyle products. Today, we're diving into a product that's perfect for keeping your space neat and your essentials easily accessible, the rotating makeup organizer for Vanity with brush holder. Let's see if this sleek Ivory storage solution truly lives up to the hype. This makeup organizer is designed to make your daily routine easier. It features a 360-degree rotating base, allowing you to access your makeup and brushes from any angle without the hassle. On the left side, you'll find a dedicated space for brushes, with a smooth, quiet rotation for easy access. On the right, a larger compartment stores your cosmetics, skincare products, and more. The organizer also has built-in dividers to help you separate your items. Think mascara, lipstick, moisturizers, and even small perfume bottles, so everything is neat and easy to grab. When I tested this organizer, I was pleased to see how easy it was to assemble and use. The rotation was incredibly smooth and quiet, which was a key factor for me. I could easily access my makeup brushes without fumbling through drawers. The compartments helped keep everything organized and categorized, making my vanity look tidy while providing functional storage. However, while the large capacity is great for holding plenty of products, I did find that the size might not be ideal for smaller countertops or more minimalist setups. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the organizer offers an impressive amount of space for various beauty products. The 360-degree rotating feature is really convenient, especially for quick access during your routine. It's sturdy, with reinforced feet that prevent it from slipping or tipping over, which adds to its durability. On the flip side, the size may be a little bulky for some spaces, and if you have a lot of larger makeup products, it may not fit everything as neatly as you'd hope. Additionally, while the material feels durable, it's not the most luxurious feel compared to more premium organizers out there. So, how does this product stack up in terms of value for money? Priced reasonably, this organizer offers a solid design that balances functionality and space. The overall quality is good for the price, though if you're someone who's looking for a high-end, polished vanity organizer, you might want to look at pricier alternatives. Still, for those looking to maximize organization without breaking the bank, it does its job well. In comparison to other makeup organizers on the market, this one stands out for its ability to rotate and its segmented storage system. Most alternatives focus solely on static storage. So if you need a little more mobility in your storage solution, this organizer's spinning feature sets it apart. That said, if you don't need something quite as large or complex, simpler organizers might suit your needs at a lower cost. The build quality feels solid enough for daily use. The plastic material is thickened for durability, and the smooth edges contribute to a clean, modern look. As for longevity, it holds up well to regular use, but like any plastic product, over time, it may show signs of wear if not maintained properly. Now, customer support. I didn't have to reach out, but I did note the brand's customer service offering assistance for any inquiries, which is a reassuring bonus. For those looking for alternatives, there are a number of simpler, more compact makeup organizers available. However, few come with the same rotating feature or as much dedicated space for various beauty items. So, if you want something to help you streamline your routine without a hefty price tag, this is a great option to consider. To wrap things up, the rotating makeup organizer for Vanity with brush holder is a functional and convenient choice for anyone looking to declutter their vanity and organize their makeup routine. It's particularly great for those with a large collection of beauty products, though it might be too big for small spaces. If you're seeking something that offers both rotation and organization at an affordable price, this one is worth considering. And don't forget, if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more reviews on all things beauty and beyond. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out the link to get this organizer in the comments box. If you already own it, let me know your thoughts. What's your experience been like? Until next time, keep things beautiful with Beautyistic.